In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix a Nintendo Switch 2 if GameShare keeps disconnecting. Intro. First, restart every console in the session by holding the power button, selecting power options, and then selecting restart. Then you'll want to make sure each console is updated through home menu, selecting system settings, scrolling all the way down to system and selecting system update. Now for local game share, keep the consoles about 2 to 3 meters apart and remove nearby objects or devices that could interfere with the wireless connection. You can also disconnect extra wireless controllers to reduce interference. For online game share through Game Chat, make sure both the host and guests have a strong internet connection. Move closer to your router or use a wired connection in TV mode if possible. Also, make sure nobody is putting their console into sleep mode, turning on airplane mode, or manually leaving game share, because any of those can end the session. If it still disconnects, check Nintendo Network's status page for game chat outages or maintenance. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.